got a few different colors. Predominantly it's this orange mustardy type color. Got another bathroom and it's got wallpaper. Wallpaper seems to be in pretty. Headed to the kitchen. Hey guys, this was a fun house to work on because there's so many things that we had to do to get it ready for move-in, or as we're going to talk about in this video, so many things that I think we could do that would enhance its chance to sell. First thing I noticed is that orange color. The house has got a few different colors. Predominantly it's this orange mustardy type color. The question is, are we going to paint this sheetrock color, or do you want to paint it back to like a neutral? Called agreeable gray, and that seems to be one of the popular colors these days. So we did all the walls in agreeable gray because people generally don't want to buy an orange house. Okay, one of the next things we did was to remove the wallpaper in this bathroom. You can see how much better it looks now. Much better. So what we did is stripped it with wallpaper stripper, peeled it off, and again painted it agreeable gray. Really good job. Much, much better. Yeah, so the thing with selling houses is you want neutral colors. The in color right now is the grays. In this house in particular, we did agreeable gray. As a side note, we also painted it flat. If you have a house that you think is going to be a rental house, or it's going to have a lot of turnover, use flat paint because it's easier to touch up. Okay, back to our video. What's the next thing that we noticed? That red carpet. Do you remember the red carpet? Let's take a look at it. Ugly red carpet. The walls are green. They don't match the house. We wanted to get that to look more uniform. So the first thing we did is replace the carpet. We replaced both the stairs and the upper room. And this is an example of the carpet and the padding. This is 6-pound padding, and this, go ahead and get a feel. Doesn't that feel nice? And that makes you feel good under your feet. So we put padding in, as well as the new carpet. Oh, would you like a feel? Oh yeah. So let's go check out the bonus room, see how it looks. Okay, we're walking to the bonus room. If you recall, this is the room that had the really high ceilings. This was a lot of fun for the painter. Painted all agreeable gray, but this is the star, is this new carpet. Let's get down and let's just see if it feels good. Oh, it does feel good. Upstairs and see how this room turned out. It'd been nice, Adam, if you turned on the light. Wow. Let's do a quick review. First, in this video we talked about painting orange walls agreeable gray, or a neutral color. The second thing we talked about in this video was replacing ugly carpet with something neutral. The third thing, removing that wallpaper, making it agreeable gray. And now, let's address, if you've done all this work, what's the next thing to do? clean the house. All right, so after we've painted and after we have put in new carpet, we want to clean the place. So we want to make sure it's move-in ready. And guys, I can't emphasize enough, this refrigerator is the most important thing you can clean. Every woman who walks in this house to decide if she wants to buy it, and we know the woman makes the buying decision when it comes to houses, is going to open the refrigerator. Make sure when she opens it, it's perfect, or pretty darn close. If you're going to even screw up when you're cleaning a house, if you're going to make a mistake, don't make it in the refrigerator or the oven. And you guys did a good job. All right. The last step is carpet cleaning. Let's take a peek at him cleaning. All right, steam cleaning some carpet. Are you having fun?
Oh yeah.
Okay guys, that concludes our video today of how to stage your home to sell. Let's do a quick review. Number one, paint the walls, paint them in a uniform color. Agreeable gray is pretty popular right now. Paint them flat. Especially if you have rental houses, you want flat walls because as tenants ding the walls, flat is easier to touch up than eggshell or satin. Number two, after we've painted the walls, what are we going to do next? We're going to make sure the carpet is in good shape. Why do we do carpet after we paint? Because painters spill paint. Do you hear me? They spill paint. So do the carpet second so that you don't have to worry about their spills, right? So we put in new carpet. What kind of carpet did we put in? Neutral carpet. You want to sell a house with neutral colors. Okay, after the carpet, we painted, we did carpet. What did we do next? We cleaned. We did a move-in clean. And then the final step is any leftover carpet, we did carpet. All right guys, thanks for watching this week's episode of How Do I Clean. If you're in the metro Atlanta area and you're a realtor, or you're looking to sell a house, or you have property you want to put on the market, consider using Turn Clean Services. We can get it ready to sell. All right, that sounds so cheesy. We would love the opportunity to serve you. If you want more information, go to turncleanservices.com. And for those of you who just enjoy watching my corny videos of how to get houses ready to sell, why don't you subscribe down there, or if you're on Facebook, give us a like. Hey, thanks for watching this week's episode of How Do I Clean, and we'll see you next time.